Hey team, Paul with Let's Meal Prep coming at you before lunch today, and I am super excited about this lunch. This is our second week here in the kitchen. We're about settled in, and I'm already trying some new stuff. I've had my eye on this one for a little while, and I never knew how incredible this was. But this is a strawberry and balsamic vinegar chicken. Find a good strawberry jam or preserves, something that's all natural, and then you whip it with some balsamic vinegar, a little bit of water, and as the chicken starts to finish in the pan, you drop that mixture in the pan, let it get thicken, baste the chicken over and over again, and it is a phenomenal taste. I would never guess. The sweetness and the vinegar coming together is amazing. We paired it, actually I got it topped here with some fresh basil and goat cheese on top, and then some brown rice on the side, and I forgot to pair this with a veggie. I was so excited about cooking it. So we just, what do we have left in the kitchen? We had zucchinis, we stole some baby carrots from another recipe. We had some mini peppers and some baby spinach there. So that makes our veggie for us this week. I am so looking forward to this. It's gonna come out in the app this Thursday. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think, all right? Take care, bye-bye.